This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autoplay for video previews on the Reddit app using an iOS device. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now and I have the Reddit app opened up. To enable or disable autoplay for video previews, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner up to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to go down to the very bottom where it says Settings. I'm going to tap on Settings. On this page it opens up. I'm going to scroll down a little ways down to where you see the accessibility area, and in the accessibility area, Media and Animations. You want to tap on Media and Animations. And then right down here, Autoplay Video Previews. By default, it's probably set to Always. If you tap on Always, it gives you three different options. The first one is Always, the second one is Only on Wi-Fi, and the third one is Never. I'm going to tap on Never. That is how you enable or disable autoplay for video previews on the Reddit app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.